Hey, Jackson, guess what? Do you want to see what we got? You want to see what you got?
Oh, I got more presents.
That's right.
Come on.
Jackson, you want to see what Santa brought?
Check them out. Look. Go look. No. What's Santa bring you? Look, Jackson.
Where?
Jackson. Look.
What is that?
What is on it?
Yeah.
That's a sled, so you can go
That's a
sled.
sled for the snow. You can sit in it and go down the hill.
And we broke one. There you go.
Sit
Look.
down on it.
Sit in it. You can ride it down the hill in the snow.
Ride it down the hill.
All right.
Oh,
Get a rope.
yeah.
Whoa, a sled!
What else did you get? You got a barbecue grill
And a party cooler.
and a party cooler with some food.
Look, bud.
We're gonna
Look.
grill it. You can take it out
You want
of
me
the
to set
box.
up your...
Oh, how cute.
Cook on the grill with Daddy.
Do you want me to help you with the grill?
Yeah.
See, look. We'll put it together.
Hey, look.
Huh?
Cool.
Hey, look.
That's a cool sled, Jackson.
Look at your sizzling barbecue grill.
And that.
You want to set it up next to Daddy. You want to slide down the hill? It's got brakes.
That's
You
cool.
never know when you might need them. Open. You all look and see what you got.
Look, Bubba.
I want to open this.
Open them all.
I want to open
Open
this.
them all.
Jackson. Jackson. Jackson.
What's that?
It's
Those are
barbecue.
cool.
Barbecue stuff?
Man.
Oh, thanks.
Merry Christmas.
Alright. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Open this. Open this.
Got double angle. If you,
Open it
you guys
up.
can combine
I was going to say we can see who's got
Open
less.
it up.
Open it up, bud.
Alright, I'll get
Open
it.
it up.
Open up.
Open up right
Open
this
up, bud.
second.
Open up.
Look, Bubba. You got a car?
Oh, you're shy.
Open it up. Open it up.
What do you say?
Guys.
What?
You guys.
What do you say? What do you say? Please.
I got my barbecue.
You got water.
Where's water?
There's a water can.
Those are cool, those green bottles.
Yeah, I wanted one of those. Santa's so smart.
Look, Biggin.
What'd you get, big boy? I look. Hey, Mimi. Mimi, look, I got a barbecue. Look, I got a grill.
What are Johnny Ringo's?
Cool.
Santa was really green this year. We got like
What are they, Hunter?
Happy Max.
What are Johnny Ringo's?
One more try, one more try.
They are green.
Are they boots?
There's one that's better for another.
It's a lot cuter than my Culture Goods and Trader Joe's bag.
I got a grill.
Hold on, Biggin.
They're really cute.
Okay, hold on. We have to set it up, okay? We have to set it up, so you have to just kind of chill out for just a sec. I know that's really difficult to
Jackson,
chill.
what'd you get?
Look, you got a hole right in your ass. Look what you got too. There's like 4 of them. That's your car.
Yeah. You have like one big one and then you have like...
Okay, I'm getting it out. Hold on. Are you gonna grill? You're gonna grill like
Oh,
Daddy?
neat.
What is that?
This is cool. Okay, hold on. Here. Come here. We're gonna set it up. You wanna set it up?
What's this?
Flat brown boots. Flat brown boots.
Let me see. Okay, hold on.
I think our mom
See, barbecue.
I wore a lot.
Chicken.
There's a chicken in there.
Chicken.
Chicken? Oh, you're gonna make chicken. You're gonna cook chicken?
Okay, Biggin.
Does it
Hold
really
on. Come
sizzle?
here.
Ready?
Smile.
Hold on, hold on, hold on.
What are you gonna do?
Aren't they Cayman? Is that what they are?
Cayman belly. Caymans are crocodile belly.
Yeah.
Those are nice.
The top
Smile.
Open this! Open this!
Yes.
Open this!
Hey, Jackson.